Hello, and welcome to the Funeral Program site, home of the largest selection of DIY templates, printed memorials, and personalized and loving memory keepsakes. We are proud to present our Glow 8-sided graduated bottom fold program in a legal size presentation. This program is available to order in our done-for-you design and print full service. Our full service includes a professional typesetting of your program information and photos, printing and assembly. With this service, you will receive programs shrink-wrapped and distribution-ready. This sample program offers a golden design set behind your submitted optional photo on the front cover. We seamlessly integrate your photo into this background for a truly custom-made program design. The 3 tabs are set along the bottom and open in a vertical fashion. This program was tailor-made to the family's request and contains 2 pages of photo collages, as well as specific photos set above the obituary page. We print in matte or gloss finish, as well as a full bleed or edge-to-edge presentation. You can order this program today, especially created for your loved one, at our online superstore. Our friendly customer service team is here to assist you, or you can also place your order online. The Funeral Program site is the industry leader and your trusted source for all of your printed memorial needs. Thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more upcoming helpful videos, only available here at thefuneralprogramsite.com.